What is the difference between HVAC repair and maintenance? Repair fixes a problem that already exists, while maintenance prevents problems and keeps your heating and cooling system working safely and efficiently. Maintenance is planned care such as replacing air filters, cleaning coils, checking electrical connections, testing the thermostat, and measuring airflow. These tasks help the system avoid working harder than necessary, which can lower energy use and reduce wear. Repair is needed when something is broken or performing poorly, such as weak airflow, strange noises, water leaks, unusual smells, or a system that will not turn on. A useful way to remember it is that maintenance is like brushing your teeth, while repair is like treating a cavity. Many people do not know that a dirty filter can cause an air conditioner to freeze because blocked airflow makes the indoor coil too cold. Seasonal maintenance can also uncover small refrigerant leaks, loose wires, or a failing capacitor before they cause a complete breakdown. For homeowners, check the filter regularly and replace it when it looks dirty, usually every 1 to 3 months depending on pets, dust, and household use. Schedule professional maintenance before the heavy cooling or heating season, and keep records of the service so repeated problems are easier to identify. One common mistake is waiting for a breakdown before scheduling maintenance, so arrange a seasonal inspection even when the system seems fine. Another misconception is that a new system needs no care, but new equipment still needs clean filters, clear outdoor space, and regular checks to protect efficiency and warranty requirements. People also sometimes replace parts without finding the real cause, so have a qualified technician test the system instead of guessing. Never ignore burning smells, electrical odors, gas smells, or carbon monoxide alarms. Turn the system off, leave the area if needed, and contact the proper emergency service. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Jobit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.